Welcome, everyone. Today we embark on a journey through the intellectual revolution led by one of the history's greatest minds, Sir Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton, born in 1642, was a mathematician, physicist, and an astronomer whose work laid the foundation for modern science. The scientific revolution spanning the 16th to 18th centuries marked a shift from traditional beliefs to empirical inquiry and scientific methodology. Newton's seminal work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, published in 1687, revolutionized our understanding of physics and mathematics. He formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation, providing a unified framework to explain the motion of celestial bodies and terrestrial objects. Newton's law of motion and gravity not only explained phenomena observed on Earth, but also predicted the behavior of celestial bodies with unprecedented accuracy. His mathematical rigor and empirical approach set a new standard for scientific inquiry. It emphasizes the experimentation, the observation, and mathematical analysis. Despite his monumental achievements, Newton faced challenges and controversies, including disputes with fellow scientists such as Gottfried Leibniz over the invention of calculus. Additionally, his unorthodox religious views and conflicts with the scientific establishment posed obstacles to his career. Now, Newton's legacy extends far and beyond the scientific realm, shaping our understanding of the universe and influencing technological advancements. His laws of motion laid the groundwork for modern engineering, enabling the development of technologies such as spacecraft, satellites, and transportation systems. Moreover, his contributions to mathematics, optics, and calculus continue to underpin various fields of science and technology, from computer graphics to telecommunications. Isaac Newton's profound insights and contributions to science have left an indelible mark on human history, illuminating the path for future generations of scientists and innovators. Let us continue to honor his legacy by embracing curiosity, inquiry, and the pursuit of knowledge. This is Darlene Antoinette Duran, signing off. Thank you.